NewAge Products Insert Grill is pre-installed to operate with natural gas. This video will show you a step-by-step process of converting your insert grill from natural gas to liquid propane with the included conversion kit. Remove the grill grates, ceramic briquette trays, and the rotisserie. Unscrew the bolts at the end of each burner and tilt and lift out from the grill. If you have the 40-inch grill, remove the infrared side sear burner as well. It's important to understand that wherever there is a burner, there is an orifice that will need to be added or replaced based on the configuration you prefer. Applying pipe dope on the orifice's threads will assist in preventing gas leakage. Install the propane orifices and tighten it using a 6mm nut driver. Refer to the installation manual for replacing the orifices of rotisserie system and the sear burner. You may need to adjust the air shutter to achieve required airflow for optimum performance. Now you can reinsert the burners and reattach the bolts. Reinstall the ceramic briquette trays, grill grates, and rotisserie. Remove pre-installed natural gas hose and replace with propane assembly. Finish by attaching Type 1 regulator hand wheel to the tank and turn clockwise to tighten. Your NewAge Products Insert Grill is now ready to be used with a liquid propane tank.